Hey up guys, we've got a bit of soldering to do today. We've got a new Lipo battery, but it's got this odd connector on the end. All the models here use Dean's connectors, so we're going to chop this one off, solder this Dean's connector on, and when we've done, it should look like that. Okay, let's get the soldering iron fired up, get it nice and warm. So I'll save that for reference, and so we should have everything here that we need. I've got the battery, got my connector, got some crocodile clips to help us out, got some tools here, wire stripper, solder, a wet rag to clean the soldering iron on, and most importantly a nice hot cup of tea. Cheers. So we're just going to do one at a time to try and prevent the wires, the battery from shorting out, because don't forget these are live wires, these, because they've got a battery on the other end. So one at a time. We'll do the, which one are you going to do first? Do the positive wire first, which is the red one. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of room on here. Yeah. Oh, make sure you cut these one at a time as well. God, that's tough. I'm liking that. That's tough wire. Get it the same length. Chuffing taters. These are good cutters, these as well. They're not blunt. There we go. Alright. Right. Positive wire first. I think I said, didn't I? Yeah, I did, yeah. It's the red one. Right. First thing we're going to do is tin the wires up with some solder. So what I will do is I'll take this other wire out of the way. There you go. Take this out of the way so this one's easy to work on. Alright. Don't need that. Let's get this wire tinned up. This solder is flux cord solder. So it's got a core of flux running down the inside of it. Really helps when it comes to doing jobs like this. There we go, get a nice bead of solder on the end, look. Yeah, that's working. Lovely jubbly. Alright, and we'll do the same thing on the Dean's plug as well. Some people call these a T plug, so if you hold it so the T is at the top, it also means that's the positive at the top as well. So we'll tin that up. Just put the solder on there, and I'm going to put some heat shrink on this first, so we can do it straight away, put the heat shrink on, and then we can do the other side and minimise the risk of it shorting out. Oh, looks like I need some different heat sink. Bear with me. Right, I managed to find some decent heat shrink. That's a lot more like it, isn't it? A lot bigger. So yeah, that'll do the trick nicely. There we go. Oh, bloody hell. It's playing up. That's better. Right. Alright. Just needs a bit more there, look. There's a bit of a gap, you can see. I can probably do that without having to clamp it back up. That's better. Better. I've not got my lighter, I'll just see if I can use the soldering iron to do it with. Right, remember to clean it first before you do that next time. Alright, so that's that bit done. This one now. Right, looks like I just need to cut it down about 3 or 4 mil. So let's just take that bit off the end there. Yeah, let's just get that bit off there. Look, that there. Oh my god. This is some tough cable, this. better it being too thin though, I suppose. Right. Okay, strip that off. And I'll just put that out of the way whilst I tin this one up. This is some thick cable, this. You can see that the solder's not quite soaking in. So there we go. Good. And we'll tin up the connector there as well. Put it put it that way around so I can see what I'm doing. Just took that out of the way. Okay. Heat shrink. Not quite touching this. Raise this one up. Stick that on top. That's it. I'm happy with that side. Just there's just a little gap. I'm going to see if I can get in with a soldering iron. I'm not sure if I'll be able to or not. Yeah, that'll work. There we go. Yep, job done. Okay, I'm happy with that. Alright. Right, it took a while, but we got there in the end. I think it's quite a nice job, that. Yes, I'm happy with that. Good. Alright guys. Cheers.